Okay, I just wanted to show you a couple of things I did with my flower stencil card. This is the envelope, and there are a couple of options when you're dealing with the card front. This one has the frame around it. It's already attached to the stencil. It's one piece, and you can put that on cardstock, and any color will look really pretty. Also, if you're using your second option, the stencil without the frame around it, this is how I did it. I cut out some Yubo paper 4x5, and I also used the vinyl to cut out the stencil, and it was adhesive back, so I just can stick it on there. I use pink and blue for my design of alcohol inks and the blending solution to do my design, and I was able to peel it off because I used the vinyl. And my envelope, I have the yellow flower with the purple in the middle, and I just wanted to show you one more, the white or the yellow card base with the white frame.